Piracy is no show. It's a serious crime to pirate TV channels according to copyright law. For more information, visit www.aurorashow.com/piracy/copyright/error/. Turn off your TV. Hey, are you dear? We told you to turn off your TV, but you still did not do it. Please turn off your TV or else you may not like what will happen next. Criminals are prohibited to watch TV. Aurora Show are made for people across Sweden, Brazil, Italy, the United States of America, Germany, and all around the world. But not for heartless thieves like you. If you refuse to turn off your TV, we will give you the Aurora.X jump scare for the ultra super giant spicy punishment.